Okay, so we're back. Now, in the last episode, we were working on going up here to grab this other little box thing so we can collect our other little orb, which we have 3 so far. Let's see if I can do this. Fuck! Why can't I make it? I know we can do this. Fuck! We're never gonna get anywhere if we keep falling. I think I know what I need. Why did you just walk off the fucking edge? God damn it. Come on, you can. I know you can do this. Come on, we have other things we could be doing. There we go. Now we can see what's hidden. Which means this shit appeared. No, you you whore. Now, after you beat this part of the game, if you exit, it'll ask you if you want to play again with all the abilities already unlocked, because that's what we're trying to collect, abilities and orbs, and then there's like other things that you can do, but they're really not very helpful. Like, come on, I know you can make it up there. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. No! There we go. To rethink our size, which means go small. And there's like nothing here. But I know there's like a hidden door around here. So I don't think there's anything in here. No. Like I said, there's these little holes so you can shrink down and get inside. I think this is the one I want. No. Wait, yes. There we go. Now you can fly. Whee! Move faster! I hate this sound. It's so freaking annoying. Where is it? It's just that orb. There it is. Come on, we can make it. Come on. Don't just fucking just put her there. That's why you're going too slow. There we go. See, now this thing happens. This is your exit. Now, watch this. See, that'll turn purple. And then that. No, or is it, I think it's the one down here. Then it's that one. No? Or is it this one that does it? Yes. Okay, now and then you come down here. What? There, oh, there it is. And then you can also collect those things which make no sense. I know there's one up here. Where are you, question box? Or, well, yeah, question box, I guess. I know you're around here. I believe you're in the... So I think there's one up here. I guess not. So I said this part of the game really makes no sense. Where is another one? Wait a minute, I know there's one around here somewhere. I know there is. Looks like a piece of ice. Now, is there one in you? No? Like I said, this game is like really weird with it. Like, none of this makes any sense. So watch what happens when you exit. This happens. See, it says to play again or play again with all abilities, and it says 1 of 6 secrets found. That's why I say I don't understand it. Yeah. No, maybe not. I'll just sit up here. Well, that is it for this episode. If you want me to continue on this series, leave me a comment down below. And also, tell me if you liked this video. And nice to see you guys in the next one. Peace.